Hi, I'm Ntabi Dokubong from Decor Interiors. My style is luxurious yet functional. Builders has always been one of my go-to spots for inspiration and the latest trends, and you'll soon see why. Today, I'm going to show you how to create your own great outdoor escape. So, let's make it beautiful.
First, assess your space. You can demarcate your outdoor escape using a retractable awning or even one of Builders' beautiful pavilions. Once you've got your space defined, it's time to get decorating. If you're going the patio furniture route, use cushions to add color, texture and style to the set. With a wide variety of options to choose from in their lifestyle section, you're sure to find a cushion to complement your color palette at Builders.
Another great way to relax is, of course, to be surrounded by flowers.
Builders have everything from rose bushes to perennials. Plant or pot your favorites in and around your outdoor area and you can escape into nature whenever the mood takes you. And lastly, adding natural or dyed wicker and bamboo baskets, which you can use for plants or to store towels in if you have a pool, are a great way to add splashes of color to the environment. Add a couple of throws, some scented candles and lantern lights into the equation and your outdoor escape is ready.
For more great decor tips and trends, go to the Builders blog and get inspired.